Hi guys! Welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the Hello Kitty Beauty Blender. Oh my god, isn't it cute? Okay, first of all, I'm not a Hello Kitty fan. But it was just so cute. And of course, the views that this will get. People love Hello Kitty. But I wanted to see if this was just a gimmick or if it's really good. I've only tried dampening it and like squishing it. It feels like it's really good. This is how it looks like fully saturated with water, and then this is how it looks like if you squeeze out all the excess water. It's very soft. Comes with this aluminum ring, which I think is brilliant because it says after using, put it on the aluminum ring to dry. So it comes with like a dryer, because most beauty blenders, they just come with a packaging like the original beauty blender, and you have to keep the packaging so that you will have a place for it to dry. While with the Hello Kitty Beauty Blender, you can just throw the old plastic away and keep the ring. Of course, you can keep the plastic as well so that you will store it and it will prevent like any dust from getting on your sponge. I usually just put it on top of my table and it works. I tried dampening it and then drying it, and it did dry out the next day very quickly. So far it's good. So now I'm gonna try to use it on my face, of course. So let's see about that. So this is how it looks like blending in my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation with a sponge, and I had no problems with it whatsoever. It was like any other good quality sponge. I actually had a lot of like eczema and dry patches, but it did not emphasize any of that, and it was just very easy to use. I do think it sheared out the coverage of the foundation a little bit, just like when using any other kind of sponge with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation formula. In this video, I'm using the sponge to pick up more product from a palette and just applying it and building it up in areas where I need it the most. And I did not have any problems with it whatsoever. I also used it to apply concealer underneath my eyes and on my eyelids, and I also used it to highlight and set my face. Basically, anything you can use a sponge for, I tried it with a sponge and it performed very well. It actually exceeded all of my expectations. Alright, so that's my base done, all with the Hello Kitty Beauty Blender. I love it! I love it! It was able to blend my concealer, my matchsticks, highlight stick. I also used it to set everything, my entire face, even my eyelids, and it worked really well. The only problem I had with it was that it was kind of too fat to really get into the crevices of the under eye area, but it still worked. You just need a bit of like maneuvering, pressing it and making it smaller, things like that, but it did work. Actually, this is one of my favorite beauty blender dupes so far. Like, this ranks up there with the H&M Precision Sponge. It's just that the H&M Precision Sponge has a better shape because it's skinnier. So if you want a skinnier sponge, then I guess that's better. But if you want like a sponge shaped like this, then this is perfect. I really like this one. It doesn't bleed, it doesn't like leave flecks of the sponge on your face. I really like this one. Thumbs up! It's only 210 pesos. That's around $4. I'm not sure how much this costs in other countries, but it's an official licensed product from Hello Kitty from Sanrio, so it's legit. I love this sponge. I love this sponge. I plan on repurchasing it. I hope it's not limited edition because I plan on repurchasing more. This is a really, really good sponge. And that's it. That's my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel down below. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video. And follow me on Instagram, all the jazz. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!